Dear students, I am Dr. Jyoti Yadav, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Manevar Kanshiram Government Degree College, Ghaziabad. In this video, I am going to discuss briefly about a short story, The Tunnel, written by eminent writer Ruskin Bond. This story is prescribed in the syllabus of BA First Year English, CCS University. First of all, let us know some things about the life and career of Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British origin. He has penned novels, short stories, poetry, essays, anthologies, and books for children who are his special readers. Born in 1934, Ruskin Bond grew up in Jamnagar, Shimla, Delhi, and Dehradun. Except for 3 years that he spent in England, he has lived all his life in India. Now he lives in Mussoorie with his adopted family. He has been awarded with the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for his short story collection Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. He has also been conferred prestigious Padma Shri Award in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014 for his remarkable contribution in the field of English literature. He has also been honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award by the Delhi government in 2017. Most of his stories are located in hills, but they empathize with the entire humanity. He writes simple and heartwarming stories in a witty and humorous style. He has written on a variety of subjects as travel, suspense, crime, haunted houses, and adventure stories of different periods and places all over the world. His stories restore one's faith in the goodness of human nature. His writings kindle joy, hope, and warmth in us. Among his masterpieces, we may count With Love from the Hills, The Room on the Roof, Rusty Runs Away, Angry River, and The Blue Umbrella. Now we will talk about the story The Tunnel. In this story, there is a little boy Suraj who has never seen a train passing through a tunnel. He has this curiosity in his mind. So he rides a bicycle and reaches a hill mound. There he sees a tunnel. He walks through that tunnel and reaches the exit of the tunnel. There he meets Sundar Singh. Sundar Singh is the watchman of that tunnel. He guards and supervises the tunnel and the railway tracks around. Two trains passes through that tunnel daily, one in the day and one at night. So Sundar Singh examines the railway tracks twice a day before the arrival of the trains. He does this task dutifully. Suraj asks Sundar Singh if he is not afraid of the wild animals of the forest. Sundar Singh answers that wild animals don't harm anyone without reason. There lives a leopard nearby and it keeps roaming around the tunnel and the railway tracks, but it has never harmed Sundar Singh. He also tells Suraj that he likes the forest life a lot. It is calm and serene. He does not like the noisy streets of the city. Next evening, Suraj again goes there to see the night train passing through the tunnel. He spends some time with Sundar Singh. Before the arrival of the night train, Sundar Singh intuits that the leopard has gone inside the tunnel. He goes with a lantern and axe in his hand to flee away the leopard from the tunnel. Suraj also follows him. They make sound in the tunnel and the leopard runs away from the tunnel. That is how Sundar Singh saves the life of the leopard. After 1 week, Suraj passes through the same tunnel when he is aboard a train to Delhi with his father. The train passes very swiftly through the tunnel. Though Suraj could not see Sundar Singh, he could see the dim light of Sundar Singh's lantern. His heart is filled with warmth and gratitude towards Sundar Singh, the watchman. Thus, we see that Ruskin Bond has created this story from a humanitarian viewpoint. Through Suraj, Ruskin Bond has depicted child psychology of discovering and knowing new things, even if it includes some amount of risk. Through Sundar Singh, Ruskin Bond has created a character who respects wildlife and nature. Sundar Singh also detects the materialistic, noisy life of the city and prefers to live in the serene surroundings of the forest. It seems the outlook of Ruskin Bond too. Ruskin Bond has depicted Sundar Singh as a dutiful man who performs well his duty even when no one is watching him. Sundar Singh leaves an ideal impression on the tender mind of Suraj. Suraj grows a feeling of respect for Sundar Singh, who is a dauntless and dutiful watchman and saves the lives of thousands of people and the wild animals. To conclude, we can say that this story carries many implicit meanings under the superficial narrative of a boy and a watchman. I hope this discussion was useful to you. Thank you.